All right, what's going on, guys? T Torres back here for another video. So I didn't plan on making today's video, but I got a phone call Saturday about a motorcycle that I've been wanting for a while. And then, as many of you may or may not know, Honda has stopped the production on like the Honda Rebel, the Grom, the Monkey, the CRF 250. They stopped on about 10 different motorcycles, and my local dealer got one of those bikes in. He was like, hey man, we had no idea this was showing up, and I know you were interested in, if you're still interested, I'll put a sold sign on it and you can come get it next week. So we're going to head to the dealership now and go pick up that new bike. And I couldn't be more excited to pick this bike up. And let's just say I've got several performance parts already on the way. So it's just totally random. I had no idea. The dealership had no idea this bike was coming. So let's head to the dealership and go check out what new bike I got. One of these days, we'll have one of these. It's the goal. What do you guys think about the Honda Africa Twin? That'd be a great adventure bike. Well, here you have it. We are picking up a brand new Monkey. I'm super excited. I can't wait. I've already sat on it. Feels great. Different riding position than the Grom for sure. Brand new. 1 mile. I'm super excited. So we're gonna do some paperwork, pay the man, and then we'll load the bike up and we'll finish the video back in the garage once we get it home. All right, just got the bike home, about to unload it, and I must say I love the way this black and gray scheme looks. Looks in the sunlight, looks super good. Like I said, man, I love that it has these black forks versus having the yellowish goldish ones on the yellow Monkey. So let me get this let me get the bike unloaded and we'll fire it up and we'll take it for its first little adventure. We just got the bike off the truck. Let's get Connor's first impressions of the 2022 Honda Monkey.
What's up, guys? So very first thing I can tell you from sitting on this thing, this seat is extremely soft. It's super plush, comfy. I could see riding.
And as soon as Connor came up here, he said he had the same thoughts I did. Too much chrome.
Yep.
So like I said, the front fender and the rear fender and the exhaust muffler piece, hush. Oh, I'm gonna get my powder coating guy, Stay Spooled at Major League Coatings. He's gonna paint those, or he's gonna coat those matte black, and I think it's gonna look extremely good. So let's go ahead
and remove this.
Oh yeah, that's coming too. So let's go ahead. I didn't even fire the bike up. I didn't even fire it up at the shop. No. And just like your Benelli, it's too quiet.
Also, and apparently this is the model with ABS on it.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Yeah, I didn't. I think 22 and above has ABS. So we are going to, Connor and I are going to go ride together real quick. I think it's too quiet, man. Way too quiet. So we're going to go take it for a rip, grab a thumbnail photo, and then I'll catch back up with you guys in just a minute. All right, so Connor and I just rode a few miles down to the beach. I think the bike maybe has like maybe 3 or so miles on it. So as you can see, we made it to the beach, and the Monkey is looking good. The Monkey is definitely photogenic, and then Connor's got his Benelli over there. So one of the things that I will tell you right off the bat from riding the bike is I don't like that there's no tachometer. So maybe in the future do a different display. So we've only ridden maybe 4 miles, but I didn't know that the Monkey does not show you the tachometer. So it's just kind of like, you know, shifting gears by the sound of the engine, which isn't a big deal at all to me. But I just think that it definitely needs a tachometer. And comment down below and let me know what you guys think should be the first mods that we do to the bike. Like I said, I have an intake. I have a cam. Big thanks to Wayne Speed Shop for the intake, and then of course my boy David at DHM is gonna hook us up with a cam and a tune. So comment down below and let me know what you think. Should be our first mods. I have an idea what I want to do, but I'd be interested to see what you guys are interested in. So with all that being said, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about the new 2022 Honda Monkey. As I mentioned, Honda said that they ceased production on about 10 motorcycles, and the Honda Monkey is one of them, along with the Grom, the Rebel 250, 500, etc. So when I got this call that they got one available and it was black, I had to jump on it. But that's gonna do it. That's all the time we have for today. Hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, leave this video a big thumbs up, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.